here at FCC, we've already built a very substantial simulation program. The primary goal of simulation is to create safe environments for students to improve their critical thinking and clinical decision-making skills. The goal of this technology is to increase both the quantity and the quality of simulation offered here. Students put on the headsets, they are immediately transported to the patient's bedside, where they're able to provide essential patient care exactly as they would in the real clinical world. They're able to do vital signs, assess heart sounds, lung sounds, administer medications, and speak in natural language directly with patients that are all AI powered. So it feels very natural and they're able to practice in a safe environment. Implementing this technology is all about creating safer, better prepared, and more confident healthcare professionals.